How to fix iMessage signed out on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So if you're having trouble with iMessage being signed out on your iPhone, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy fix to get back into your iMessages. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to your settings app and then scroll down, tap on apps, and on the message bar search for messages. Tap on it, and here you'll find iMessage. So what you need to do is you'll need to toggle it off and then wait for a few seconds. While you toggle it off, it will be refreshed, so toggle it on after a while and then it might start working. However, if this doesn't work, then come back and then uh, go to General and then tap on Software Update. So make sure that your iPhone is updated to the latest version, because sometimes not updating your software also causes errors and glitches. Now, if this also doesn't work, then scroll down and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, and there you'll find reset network settings. So this only resets your network and then it will help you fix your iMessage. However, if all of this doesn't work, then you can try restarting your device, because sometimes device might also be the issue. And I hope one of the solution helped you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.